Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a Discord bot on Discord. So let's get started. But before this video starts, I do know I haven't been posting for quite some time now. I'm very sorry. So let's continue to this video. Today we'll be making a Discord bot. As you can see, this is a server, just me inside it, plain server, voice channel, general. And we're going to be showing you first how to make a Discord bot, what you need and everything. It's free, so before I show you how, it's all free. And yes, so why would you want to make a Discord bot? There's numerous reasons. You can have just the hobby of it, or just for fun, or you want to do something with it, all up to you. But to actually get started, what you need to go is to the Discord developer portal, which I'll link in the description box below. Discord developer portal, as you can see. And we actually want to make a bot. So bot account. So as you can see, I'm already logged in since logged in. You will also need a Discord account, of course. And I would like to go to applications. As you can see, I have none here. So I'll press new application on the side. I'll call it Hems World Bot. Hems World. There. So now I've created the bot. As you can see, I have no logo, which I can always do later, an icon. So I'm not going to really worry about the icon right now, but what we need to do is actually get it all set up. So as you can see, this is my bot homepage, but this is actually not, this bot we will not be able to add yet. We'll actually have to go to bot. As you can see, there's nothing there. So see at the corner, this add bot, and you're just going to click that. Basically when you make a bot, you're going to make a Discord user under your bot system, which will have its own hashtag code and everything, its own name. So as you can see, I'm one user, and this will be another user, but this won't be able to DM anyone or message anyone or call anyone unless you go to the, I believe, the bot page and have your token, which I'll show you how to get your token as well if you ever need to just diagnose it. So as you can see, it says add a bot to this app, and I'll say yes to it. So right now that was the app, now we have the bot here. So as you can see, Hems, well, I'm just going to make it shorter, save changes, that's its hashtag code, and here, as it says, click to reveal token. Now the token is very important, you do have to remember this. The token is the key, it's the password, it's everything to your Discord bot. So if you share it to someone and they get control of it, they'll be able to get control of your bot and can do really anything with it. So you do need to make sure that this is kept safe. So as you can see, when I click to reveal it, I'm going to blur all of this out. It's all going to be blurred out. My token's underneath there because obviously I don't want anyone access to my token. I will have to quickly write it down. So although since we will be needing it later, so let's get a piece of paper and a pen. So I'll just quickly write that down. So you can always regenerate your token if you wanted to, but oh sorry there. but you can always regenerate your token if you wanted to. But I'm just going to copy it here. And as you can see, still nothing here. First, we want to add our token. So as you can see, our bot. Sorry, as you can see, there's an OAUTH2 over here. I'm gonna go bot, send messages, copy that. This link is my bot's invite link. So I actually can't go on the bot user and join a server. No, I have to use this link to add my bot. If I just paste it on there, as you can see, it will ask me which server do you want to add, permissions, I want to view him world. Continue, messages. Is this gonna ask to verify me? I have verified myself, so if I close this, as you can see, my bot is now here, but it's offline, so I can't really do anything with it. So we're actually going to be doing something now on REPL.it. So the way a bot works is first you need the program, and then you need to host it either locally or on websites such as Uptime Robot. Now Uptime Robot, the cool thing is it's free. It pings every 5 minutes to make sure it's always working. And you've got a list of telling you if there's anything wrong, so what you can do, error codes and everything. So that's what I've been using when I develop my bots. REPL.it, the link below. Both of these links will be below, by the way, all of them. That's where you actually program your bot. And then REPL.it will give you a link itself. You will take that link and put it into Uptime Robot, where then it will host that. But if you wanted to now go to REPL.it, which we will need to. So if I go REPL.it, as you can see, I need to sign up since I don't have an account. You can quickly just sign up. It's for free. It's free to use. No need to money. Let me quickly actually just pause this. Where's the pause button? 1 second. Okay, so I'm actually going to write WorldBot. World. Oh, no, space. Okay. I'm just going to quickly write my email. Which, 1 second. Sorry for that. Which I will obviously blur out. And I want my password. I don't want to verify right now. Let's make a new REPL. And we're going to do Python. And we're going to name it Hems World. Hems World. And we're going to create it. So now, as you can see, we've got this code up and running, but there is absolutely nothing there except main.py. This is the very important folder, file, whatever you want to call it, because this is, as the name suggests, is our main system. So now that we've got this set up, that's all we're going to do for today's video. This video was just to tell you how to add your bot, make your bot, and how to set up REPL.it. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you a few easy commands, and on the next video, I'll be showing the next one will be how to host it all the times, status and everything. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Any comments or feedback, please leave it below. And until next time, take care of yourself and everyone around you.